Have you ever wondered how life was like 1,000 years ago in China? It's hard to imagine, isn't it? But let's think of it as a magical journey, a trip back in time. Picture an invisible time machine whisking us away, far from the world of smartphones and video games, and landing us smack in the middle of a fascinating era known as the Song Dynasty. Now, the Song Dynasty, that's a pretty important chapter in China's history. It was a time when so many interesting things happened. People were inventing, painting, writing incredible poems, and there was so much to see and learn. It was a time of great thinkers and thrilling discoveries. So strap on your seatbelts, hold on tight because we're about to embark on this amazing adventure. Imagine stepping into a time machine and landing in the bustling streets of a Song Dynasty city, ready to explore. Whoosh! Here we are in the heart of the Song Dynasty. Just imagine a city bursting with life and color, markets buzzing with activity, vendors hawking their wares, everything from ripe fruits to intricate silk fabrics. Over there, children are laughing and playing traditional games, their faces lit up with sheer joy. Listen closely. Can you hear that? The soft rustle of pages turning in the grand libraries, scholars engrossed in their studies, their minds filled with vast knowledge and wisdom. The Song Dynasty was a time of great learning and discovery, a golden age of progress and innovation. And it wasn't just about knowledge and commerce. The culture was vibrant too, with beautiful poetry, music, and art flourishing like never before. The economy was booming thanks to the introduction of paper money, which made trade easier and more efficient. From busy streets to peaceful gardens, there was always something exciting happening in the Song Dynasty. Did you know that the Song Dynasty was a time of great inventions and discoveries? Ah, yes, it was a period buzzing with the birth of many ideas that changed the world. Let's dive into a few of these fascinating inventions. First up is the compass. Picture this, a device that could tell you where north is, making travel and navigation a whole lot easier. Next is the explosive invention of gunpowder. This wasn't just for fireworks, but also for defense, changing the face of battles forever. But wait, there's more. The Song Dynasty brought us the movable type printing. Imagine before this, every book had to be written by hand. This invention sped up the process, making books more accessible and knowledge more widespread. And guess what? These inventions weren't just game changers for China, but they transformed the way the entire world worked. These inventions from the Song Dynasty not only changed China, but the whole world. The Song Dynasty wasn't just about inventions and busy cities, it was also a time of beautiful art and music. Can you imagine a world where your thoughts and feelings are expressed through beautiful drawings, rhythmic tunes, and powerful words? That's exactly how it was during the Song Dynasty. Art was a big deal. People painted their thoughts onto scrolls in the form of landscapes, birds, and flowers. These weren't just pretty pictures, but a form of storytelling, an ancient version of a comic strip, if you will. And then there was the music. Melodies filled the air, each note telling its own tale of joy, sorrow, or everyday life. But the most cherished form of expression was poetry. It was like a song, a painting, and a story all wrapped into one. Every word chosen, every line crafted was a peek into the poet's heart. The Song Dynasty was a time when art and culture flourished like never before. Our journey to the Song Dynasty is coming to an end, but there's so much more to discover. This era, a dazzling gem in the crown of Chinese history, was a time of great change. It was a time when cities buzzed with life, from the clatter of shopkeepers to the lively chatter of scholars. This was the Song Dynasty, a period of incredible inventions that we still use today. Remember the compass that helps us find our way? Or the printing press that makes our books? These were born in the vibrant era of the Song. And let's not forget the flourishing arts and culture. The beautiful poems, the enchanting music, and the intricate paintings are all a testament to the creativity that thrived during the Song Dynasty. Next time you use a compass or read a book, remember the Song Dynasty, where many amazing things were first created.